Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to customize Chrome homepage. So to start, open Chrome app and at the top right, click the pencil icon. Then from here, click the plus sign. So you can choose from themes, camera roll, or colors. So click on themes and just wait for it to load. And you have a lot of options in here. You have landscapes, architecture, earth, patterns, illustrations, and gradients. So choose from these. So if you click on it, as you can see at the top, it instantly changes the homepage. So yeah, just like that. So choose the one you like. And once done, just click the check mark at the top right. And that's it. So as you can see, we have now changed our homepage theme. So a quick recap, just click the pencil icon and click the plus sign and click on themes and choose the theme from here. And just click the check mark and that's it. So again, if you click the pencil icon, you can also swipe it and choose a theme from here. So just select it and it will be added instantly to the homepage. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.